Hey guys, welcome to this video. In today's video, we will be making this very awesome origami Masu box. Okay, first, what is a Masu box? Well, it's a sort of square wooden box used in Japan to measure rice in the feudal period. Okay, now that we know what a Masu box is, let's go into today's video and make one. It's really easy and you can also use it as a container for storing stuff such as pencils and erasers. Let's start right now. For making this origami Masu box, we will be needing a sheet of size 15 cm into 15 cm. I chose a fancy colored sheet because it would be fancy. So let's start making it right now. For the start, we need to fold the sheet of paper into half. After folding the sheet into half, we will be getting a central crease like this, and again we need to fold it into half. Now you can see these two creases. Using these two creases as a reference, align this side with this side and this side along with this side over here like this. And then we will have to repeat the same steps on the opposite side as well. And now we need to fold the sheet of paper into half once more. But this time we shouldn't make a full crease. We just need to mark it, so a small crease like this is enough. We need to fold this side towards the central crease which we made. And after that we need to do the same thing on the other side as well. Now we will be getting something like this. After unfolding our model, we have to continue with the next step. Now for the next step, we need to fold this side towards the center as well. And then we will have to open this fold and see this point of intersection over here. You need to fold the top towards the point of intersection over here like this. And then we will have to unfold the third side, and we have to repeat the same steps on the other side as well. Now we have to unfold, and you will see the same point of intersection over here. Then we have to fold the top part towards that point. See over here. Then all we have to do is fold inside again and unfold our model. And then fold it inside and inside again. We'll have to fold this in just like this and make a fold like this and push it in over here. Sorry, not over here. We'll need to be folding this point to a point over here. And then we have to do the same on the other side as well. Now you'll have to fold it like this once and like this once, and basically do the same thing again until you see those creases popping out. Now as we proceed in our model, see this side, we'll have to fold it in using the crease we made earlier, like this, and this will go inside like this, and the other crease will do the same thing over here, which is go inside like this. Then we will have to fold our model inward. Wow, now we have a solid box with one side open. You've got to fix that now. After crisping out all the three sides we have right over here, we'll have to repeat the same steps we did over here on the other side as well. Now our Masu box is ready. Wait, where's the lid? Oh, I kept it right here. Now we have both the box and the lid. Now we know what to do. Put the lid on top of the Masu box we made. Make sure the lid is bigger than the box, or else you might get into some situation where your box is stuck into the lid for like eternity. We finished our box. How does this look? Anyway, this video is over. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, and if you liked all my other videos along with this one, don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. You can also click the notifications icon to be notified like immediately. Okay, now bye guys. I'll see you in my next video.